Germany, Europe's biggest economy and once the world's benchmark for industrial strength, is now facing its toughest economic test in decades. This next report breaks down what's really behind Germany's slowdown, how global shifts are reshaping its economy, and why the stakes extend far beyond its borders. More in this report. Short break after that. That's a wrap on World Business Watch. Stay with us.
Germany's industrial economy is facing its deepest challenge in decades. After 4 years of stagnation, production has fallen back to 2005 levels. Consultants and industry leaders warn that this is no longer a cyclical downturn, but a structural crisis. Two external shocks are intensifying the decline. First, US President Donald Trump's tariffs have hit German exporters hard, with shipments to the US falling 7.4% this year. New duties on steel, alloys and hundreds of industrial components are disrupting supply chains and forcing German manufacturers to pause exports or raise prices. But the bigger blow is coming from China. Chinese capital goods are now roughly 30% cheaper and quality levels have caught up. This year, for the first time, Germany has recorded a trade deficit with China in capital goods. Chinese machinery exports to Europe have nearly doubled to 40 billion euros. The combined pressure from falling demand, US tariffs and Chinese competition is reshaping Germany's job market. Major automakers and suppliers, including Volkswagen, Mercedes, Bosch and Continental, have announced large workforce cuts. Employment in the industrial sector is sliding, even as services try to absorb the losses. Companies are nearing a tipping point on capacity utilization and more job cuts are expected. Policymakers are racing to respond, with Chancellor Friedrich Merz unveiling a €1 trillion investment plan for infrastructure and defense. But much of the burden falls on local governments, which lack the borrowing capacity to act quickly. Defense manufacturing is growing but remains too small to offset the downturn. Industry leaders warn that without faster reforms and stronger protection against global competition, Germany's industrial crisis may deepen before any recovery begins. Business Bureau, WION World is One.